Electricians working for themselves whose work involves wiring and electrical repairs need to have electrical contractors insurance to protect themselves, their business, and their clients. This coverage provides protection for professionals completing electrical work in new or older homes, expanding service to an existing property, or completing electrical work for commercial, industrial, or agricultural operations. Electrical insurance protects your company from a range of perils due to an incident occurring on the job site or at the property after your work has been completed. Imagine for a moment what would happen if you did not have proper insurance and a disaster struck. For instance, what if an electrical fire breaks out at a customer's property after you have just finished a job, or what would you do if your tools were stolen? Without insurance, you'd be forced to pay out of pocket for any resulting damages and perhaps potential lawsuits. This could impact you and your company and could put you out of business. Protect yourself, your employees, and your clients with a customized electrical contractors insurance package. As a family-owned and operated business, our team prides itself in finding electrical contractors the best possible coverage for their operation. We've helped countless business owners across Ontario find the protection they need to have, the peace of mind necessary to allow electricians to simply be electricians. We're here for you.